Is that head correct?
Where?
Right above the number, the back.
Well, it sure looks like something there.
Hey, just the guy I wanted to talk to. Day 5. Never been so excited to be in Columbus, Ohio right now. We made it. We're excited. We're going to try to get the car ready to run as close to 10 as possible. So whenever they call us or open the lanes, we can get up there. We think we need the best track we can get. We feel like that might be early on, even if the air isn't the best. Right around noon, the air gets pretty good, about 37% humidity as they're forecasting, versus the 70-ish, 75-ish it is now. Water grains were like 90%, so we're gonna get it turned around and just be ready. This is where we're at now. So we got a lot of 93 to get out of it, overfilled yesterday, so we got to get that, make sure we have enough methanol, and kind of go from there. So change oils and all the other normal stuff, run the valves again, just to make sure everything's good to go. So we're gonna get busy.
He had a 16-second time one day, and that's the issue. Glenn Sheely in the left-hand side. He is currently your leader in, oh no, he's number 2 at all motors. Well, we had no choice in that Chevelle who was running the top three.
yeah. Had to lift. Shake. We'll take it. We will take it. You'll have to take it off his car first. You gotta take it off. Well, it was a decent pass. However, the motor's locked up. It won't start. So, a lot of water underneath it. I don't know if it's for me, but I think it is. So, we'll see what happens. But either way, we're done. We made it. That's all that matters. We secured our path, we secured our spot, and we're happy. So, we'll let you know what we find. Like behind the transmission and then running underneath the car, but I mean, to get the tray off. The tray, I can't really tell.
It's locked up?
Yeah.
I'm really glad that that thing went down the track. I totally overlooked that entire detail all week. And it had nothing to do with myself.
There's no oil on the ground.
No, that pan doesn't look full. But, oh, the pig pad is, though, I see. Any dents?
No, but there's water. Let's see any dents on this side.
Oh, is that head cracked?
Where?
Right above the number, the back
Well, it sure looks like something there.
to the head.
Holy I wonder if they make these hip.
I loved it.
Oh, hit the other button on the inside of it. Where's the e-stop? By the shifter. Ready? Yeah. So I'm going to check the oil dipstick to see if we need to drain the oil or not. And it looks perfect. We do not have to drain the oil. That means no water got in the oil. Which means we probably don't have, a hole in the sleeve. But we're going to finish draining the water out of this so that there's no chance of it sitting for a couple days, moving around in the trailer and all that stuff, and have water go back in that cylinder. Sprayed everything down with PB Blaster inside, so just trying to be a little diligent to cause as least amount of damage as possible for the future of this engine. So, yeah, get the water drained and wait around. 3-0, I won a 72999 average.
720
I don't
something,
care.
that's awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so excited for you.
I know. Yeah,
I mean, that sucks, but
Yeah, I mean,
I'm pulling the plug right now.
I'm just.
It felt fine going on the track, and then you shut it off when to start. It was locked up. Okay, so the motor in a hole is probably fine.
I only tried a couple times.
Yeah.
969.
Oh, that sucks. It's not 190. I'm sorry.
Have you had a 190 average, Rob? Oh yeah. So a lot of cool things. Went a 723 at 194, I think, and some change. Shut it down like normally. Came back around, gathered up my chutes and everything, turned all the bottles and cameras off and everything. Go to start it and it just clicks. It didn't even try to rotate, it just thunk. Tried it a couple times, figured what was happening. Buddy with the Firebird towed us back. got it back over here. I went and turned my time slip in as they got it up and got it taken apart to see what was going on. Turns out we actually cracked the back of the driver's side head. Not anything on my bingo card, what was going to happen, but way better scenario as of now than having a chunk of block missing. So the cylinder heads are definitely cheaper than a block and everything else, that all the machining that goes in with that. So we're going to drain the water, drain the oil, clear it all out, spray penetrant down all the holes, make sure there's no water sitting in there because it might be a few days before I can get it apart, and see what we're going to do. I have no idea what the plan is. I'd like to keep a similar port to keep that intake, or I'm sure we can get him to make some new runners for it or whatever we got to do. But yeah, the next step is to take it apart, see what we can find. So stay tuned. Yeah, I feel like that for my team, that's a wrap, other than the award ceremony, because I did get first place and modified power adder. I don't know for sure where I'll stand, but as of going into today, we're sixth overall. Probably the fastest on a small tire. I'd have to actually go and see what all cars were above me, but pretty impressive. I'm really happy with the way the week went, other than this, but this is the best case scenario of when it could have happened. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.
The winner of the modified power adder with an average of 729, a ludicrous station wagon with the zoomies out the fenders, Chuck Stefanski with the 81 Pontiac Grand Lawn wagon.
We did it. We got it.
Sealed it, delivered it. Here it comes. 1039 for the 2018 Hellcat Sean Gilbert.
All right, Johnny. Yeah, buddy.
Calic Sean, come on.
Hold on, I'm pulling my pants up.
The ceremonial opening.
Yep. So Calic Sean, obviously we did the drag week with my Hellcat, with our test bed for the Terminator X, and Holly EFI Terminator X with the Gateway, the Race Products Gateway. We did the sealed hood and one sealed hood. That doesn't tell you about reliability. This thing went 1,000 miles, 6 or 7 passes throughout the week, thrashed on it, went a personal best every single day, been in the 1030s. Now we're back at Dragway 42, the night of the Friday, last day of drag week, and we're gonna go ahead and pull the tag off after he won fastest, our celebrity driver, and we're gonna ice this thing down, and we are going to try to get this thing into the 20s. I sprinkled a little more to it, so we're gonna see what happens. And we still got the trailer here, just in case, right?
No.
No, the trailer's gone.
That's